Good morning. My word, it's brisk today. Good morning guys, welcome back to Stef ABtv. Welcome to a very cold day in January, and of course it wouldn't be a video unless the roof was down. Now in this video I'm going to talk to you guys about what modifications have come for the Abarth 124 Spider. Now before we jump in the car and make our way back home, I'm going to show you all the mods that have arrived for this car. Can we just appreciate how nice it is to drive a convertible when the sun is out? Granted, maybe not when it's 4 degrees, but I genuinely cannot wait for the summer with this thing. Let's also appreciate the winter grime that hits white cars. Oh man, do you know what? I don't think I'm going to clean this. I'm going to go for a rally spec until the weather gets better. I mean, you can see just how grimy the wheels are as well. But, oh man, this car is looking good. That was a transit van with an exhaust. Now guys, it wouldn't be a Stef ABtv video unless we got Rollo involved, so we're going to turn the car on, we're going to make our way home, and I'll unpack the modifications when we get there. Also, let's see if we can get 1,000 likes on this video. You guys have been absolutely nailing it in the last few videos. What else? Oh yeah, if you're new here, consider subscribing. And also, genuinely, like, so many of you guys watch my videos but are not subscribed. Please subscribe. It really does help. I really want to try and get 50,000 subscribers this year. Like, really want to do it. And I need you guys to just press that little red button, subscribe. It's free. The 124 Spider is such a sick car, man. It is such a sick car. I love this thing so much, and I say that in every video, but genuinely I am so happy with my purchase of this car. The rear wheel drive slipperiness never gets old. Just make sure you know what you're doing, otherwise you will put one of these in a bush if you're buying one. So hello. Hi. Hello, buddy. How are you? Yes. Oh, man. You weren't with me today when we were filming 124. Yes, I'm telling all of these lot that we've got modifications for it. You know what that is? You know modifications? Should we go and tell them what they are? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Everybody loves you. The comment sections go wild when we get Rollo involved. Say hi. Say hi. Hey, guys. Say hi. 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 How's it going? Oh god, your camera ready. Your camera ready, I see. So here he is. Smash a like for Rollo. 1,000 likes for this guy. What are you looking at? You're looking at the 124. So, plan for it. Well, plan now. Plan of action. I guess giving him a bit of cuddles and fun because he's missed me, bless him. I went filming this morning and he was like, "Where's Daddy gone? Where's Daddy gone?" So we're going to get the stuff out the shed. I'll show you what we've got for the car, and then we'll go for a little WALK. Walkies? Walkies? Oh, you see that? You see the ears perk up. Let's get the stuff. Come on, let's get the stuff in the shed. Come on, buddy. Say hi to the cameras. Hi, guys. And here we are, back in the shed. So, where have I put the stuff? Right, first modification. We've got a BMC filter for the 124, and I've got to give a shout out to JT124. Check out JT's YouTube channel, search JT124. JT used to have an Abarth 124 Spider, and he gave me this BMC panel filter, so that's the first modification that we've got. The next mods are here, and here. Come on. You ready? Come on. Come on, Rollo. Come on. Here he is. Yeah. Paul, good boy. This one. Thank you. Always clean the paws before we go inside. You know the drill. Come on. And the back ones. Yeah, that's the camera. That's the camera. Okay, good boy. Come on. Over here. What you doing in here? Are you in here because you reckon if you sit here you'll get something good? Of course. Good boy. Well done. Oh, there he is. Look at that. The king himself. There you go. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's show everyone what we've got. Let's show them what we got. I'm going to use your blanket as the display section. All right. Of course, Rollo's very interested in what I have to show you. Hey, over here. Turn around. Down. Good boy, yes! Bless him, what a dude. Here you go. You gonna behave? Right, let's start with what's in the bag. First of all, massive shout out to TMC Motorsport because they sent me an Abarth keyring. Not revolutionary, I know, but still something that I'm sure you guys will appreciate. The other one is a lanyard. We'll leave that there if Rollo doesn't eat it. The other modification we've got, again, very little, nothing too fancy, is a red anodized start and stop button, which is very cool. So that will, I mean, I can install that on the driveway, really. We've also got some Abarth dust caps, which are cool. I really like these, although I'm not sure how long they'll last on the car before they get nicked. So yeah, those two mods are a bit of a gift from TMC Motorsport, so massive shout out to those guys. And if you do need stuff for your Abarth, check out TMC Motorsport's website. They've got a massive variety of stuff on there. Now for the bigger mods, and I'm sure looking at the shape of them, you'll have a rough idea what they are. The first of which, as Rollo's very interested in, is, oh man, this is a cross pipe. So this is the cross pipe which links the Cant to the exhaust. The standard OEM cross pipe is quite restrictive. This is a lot bigger, it'll help the car breathe better, so I'll put that there. What are you doing? Sit. Good boy, behave. The guys are watching you. Leave that alone. And of course, what will link to the cross pipe? A sports cat. So this should make the car sound louder, of course, but also it's going to help the car breathe better. I've gone for a sport cat because I still want the car to pass an MOT, and realistically, going for a D-cat really and truly will probably make the car sound like a tractor, and we don't want that. Go on. Filming with dogs is always fun. So the final thing, the final piece of the puzzle, I guess, is this. This is a powergate, and again, all from TMC Motorsport. The powergate is something that I can plug into the car and I can load and unload maps. So, as you've probably guessed it, we're going to be installing the sports cat and we're going to remap the car with a BMC air filter. And we should get a power increase. What we'll get, who knows? I'm expecting we'll get close to 200 horsepower with these mods. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, there you go. More modifications have arrived for the Abarth 124 Spider, guys. Should we go for a walk? Walkies? Walkies? Come on, let's go. Walkies. Walkies. What are you doing? Come on. Let's go. So, I'm here. My usual walk with the dog. I love it here. It's so beautiful. It's so peaceful. It's one of my favourite places here at the lake. Oh, look at this. There's a big one for you there, mate. Here we go. Friends. There you go. I've just lost my dog. And now he's back. Thank gosh. That's what I was trying to say. I love coming here with him because it's a nice place I can put him off leash. It's safe. There's loads of other dogs so he can socialise. I mean, clearly he's found some stuff that he's interested in he's just a little character, and I love this guy so much. And as I said in my, was it my video on New Year's Day, having a dog definitely brings the good out of bad situations. They just make you smile, they make you happy, and he's just a superstar. So to summarize then, guys, the next stage is to get those mods installed. I'm going to try and see if I can get hold of A4 Alpha and see if they've got some time at the beginning of February to book me in, and see if we can get the Sports Cat cross pipe installed. Once we've done that, then I'll reach out to TMC and see if I can get hold of a map, and then we'll remap the car and see what it looks like. So yeah, some interesting stuff coming for the 124. If you haven't done already, please make sure to subscribe. I would really love to have you on the channel, part of the family. Again, let's try and aim for 1,000 likes in this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. My name's been Steph. You guys been awesome. That's Rolo, and he's just doing his own stuff. And I'll see you all very soon on the next video, guys. Take care.